Welcome to PS Prototypenschmiede. Our company exists for 11 years. We started in January 2014. We manufacture milled parts with the added value of very short delivery times and high level of flexibility that we achieve through automation. Our main customers are from the automotive sector and are classified in Tier 1 and OEMs. In 2020, we decided to purchase a MILL P800UD because it brings a very high level of accuracy to the process, delivers high dynamics, and shows a high thermal stability. Thanks to the loading concept from the rear instead of via the operator door, this is a very good fit for our automation. In 2024, we ramped up with a MILL P800U Short. This machine fits even better into our concept. The elimination of the intermediate handling allows an even easier access. One of the requirements for the machine is to maintain a very high level of precision, even for long run times, and the MILL P800U is perfect for this. We have purchased 6 machining centers over the past 11 years and have grown continuously. Thanks to the automated processes, we have been able to keep driving forward despite the adverse circumstances of recent years. Our components require an accuracy of less than 10 micrometers in a 24/7 operation. In the daily work with the machine, the very high precision, the surface quality, and the large number of tool positions in the ATC have proven their worth. Thanks to our standardization, we can achieve high quality in short delivery times. The MILL P is perfect for our lights-out factory production and for our technical approach to the process.